Now coming to human-made resources. These are various natural resources which need modification for better use. Human beings are capable of changing such natural resources into useful products. They use their knowledge and skills to develop technology to convert natural resources into useful products. Now, through their skills and technology, they make natural resources into useful products. Their technology and science have made these gifts of nature into resources. Now, human beings use natural resources to develop buildings, roads, machinery, and vehicles. They are known as human-made resources. Development of resources largely depends upon the knowledge and skills of the people living in a country. Now coming to human resources. Human beings themselves are very important resource because we are also a natural resource. But through our skill and technology, we have transformed ourselves into a very useful resource. So all the natural resources are of no use unless or until man utilizes them for useful purposes with the help of their knowledge, skills and technology. Now we are the ones who are using these resources. So we are also a resource क्योंकि उसके बिना तो natural resources are of no use. Only human beings can discover, exploit, develop and convert the available or potential resources into useful products or wealth. अब इसमें मैं ये बताया जा रहा है कि हमारी इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है एज अ रिसोर्स. Education and good health have helped human beings to become a valuable resource. It is therefore the countries having educated and skilled people are developed countries. So this is the paragraph basically in which it explains why are we a resource. Now coming to conservation of resources. Now conservation of resources is very important because some resources which are exhaustible resources, they can take millions of years to form again. So अब हमारे पास थोड़े से ही फॉसिल फ्यूल्स बचे हैं एंड एट दिस रेट एट विच वी आर एक्सप्लॉइटिंग दे विल बी फिनिश्ड सून. और हमें अपनी आगे वाली जनरेशन्स को भी तो ये फॉसिल फ्यूल्स पास करने थे बट वी वोंट बी एबल टू. Now earlier the density of population was low and the human needs were limited. अब जितने कम लोग उतना ज़्यादा चीज़ है तो सही है, बट अगर ज़्यादा लोग हो जाते हैं चीज़ें कम हो जाती है, दैट इज़ वेरी बैड बिकॉज द अर्थ इज़ सूटेबल इनफ ओनली टू मेंटेन अ लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल. ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन लीड्स टू द डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ environment. Now they were dependent on plants and animals which were easily available in the environment. Thus they never felt the need for conservation of resources. उनको ज़रूरत थी नहीं conservation of resource करने की, वो लोग थे ही इतने कम नंबर में. But now with the development in the field of science and technology, man began to use natural resources at a much larger scale. The continuous rise in population also caused an increasing demand for resources. अब जितने ज़्यादा लोग सबको resources चाहिए तो उतनी ज़्यादा demand बढ़ती जाएगी. Now this created a situation which the non-renewable resources could be exhausted after some time. Therefore, a balance between population growth and the utilization of resources is absolute necessary. This is the necessity of the hour. Now, using natural resources carefully without wasting them is called conservation of resources. When we use natural resources properly for today's need and also conserve them for the future generation, it is called sustainable development. The use of resources should be sustainable. Now, sustainable development वो होता है जब हम अपनी need तो satisfy करें but without compromising the needs of the future generation. मतलब हम अपना भी कंजर्व करें और उनके लिए भी कंजर्व करके चलें. Nowadays, people are being made aware of the situation which may arise as a result of large-scale destruction of natural resources Each one of us has to make a sincere effort to save our natural resources for the future and of our planet. Our future is actually dependent upon our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system which nature has provided. Thus, we must reduce the damage done to our natural environment. So, हमें अपने जो डैमेज हमने करा है अपने नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को, हमें उसको रिपेयर करना है. वी हैव टू रिड्यूस, वी हैव टू कंजर्व आवर नेचर, वी हैव टू कंजर्व आवर रिसोर्सेज. So now the chapter ends. The worksheet for the same will be given and you have to do it.